Welcome to this presentation on how to write the CIPD Level 7 questions for 7CO04 assessment for 2024-25. You can visit our website by clicking on link provided in comment sections or chat with us on WhatsApp on clicking link to get best expert help. You will find how to write this question in this video. Kindly subscribe us to and message us on. To begin writing a Level 7 CIPD 7CO04 assessment task effectively, you need a thorough understanding of the structure of the unit. Start by reading the unit specification, which outlines the purpose and key themes, usually focusing on people management, strategy, and change. It's essential to break down each learning outcome, LO, and its related assessment criteria, AC, to understand exactly what's being asked. Use the CIPD provided assessment brief to structure your answers. This document serves as your guide, ensuring you remain focused and meet all requirements. At Level 7, assessments demand critical analysis and strategic insight, so you must go beyond description and demonstrate understanding and application of HR theories and frameworks. Recognizing the academic expectation at postgraduate level is vital to crafting high-quality responses that meet or exceed past standards. A common strategy to ensure full marks in the 7CO04 assessment is to align every part of your response with the assessment criteria, ACs. Start by copying the AC into your draft as a subheading. This ensures you focus your analysis directly on what's being asked. As you write, regularly refer back to the AC and check that your content addresses it fully. Use clear subheadings for each part of the assessment to create a structured, logical flow. At the end, create a mapping checklist that links your answer to each criterion. This helps you spot any gaps before submission. This technique is especially useful at Level 7, where depth, clarity, and alignment with objectives are crucial. Remember, this level requires strategic thinking and clear evidence of synthesis and evaluation, not just surface-level responses. Level 7 assessments require a high level of critical analysis. This means you must move beyond describing theory and instead assess how relevant, effective, or applicable it is in context. Begin by introducing a concept or model, then evaluate its strengths, limitations, and relevance to your organization or case study. Compare it with alternative frameworks to show breadth of knowledge. For example, when discussing change management, contrast Lewin's model with Cotter's 8 steps and discuss which is more suitable for a specific organizational change. Use data, examples, or research to support your argument and avoid making general claims. Be balanced and thoughtful in your writing. At Level 7, assessors are looking for evidence that you can think strategically and critically, not just repeat theory. This depth of thinking is what distinguishes passable answers from excellent ones. Citing credible sources is essential to demonstrating academic integrity and depth of research in your 7CO04 assessment. Use a combination of CIPD resources, academic journals, practitioner books, and policy papers to support your arguments. Avoid referencing blogs, forums, or Wikipedia, as these lack scholarly rigor. Make sure your referencing follows the Harvard style, which includes in-text citations and a complete bibliography. Check your style guide for accuracy and formatting. Referencing not only strengthens your points, but also shows that you've engaged critically with literature in the field. At Level 7, assessors expect you to support your claims with high-quality evidence from reputable sources. Creating a strong bibliography also signals the breadth of your research. Be sure to check every citation and reference before submission to avoid unintentional plagiarism or formatting errors. Before submitting your 7CO04 assessment, conduct a thorough review. Read your work aloud to catch grammatical or structural issues. Use proofreading tools, but don't rely solely on them. Human review is also essential. Where possible, ask a peer or tutor to read your draft and provide feedback. Use this to refine your analysis and improve clarity. Ensure that every part of your response clearly maps to an AC and that your content meets the required depth. Stick to the word count and avoid excessive repetition. Check that your document is formatted correctly and includes a title page, contents, citations, and bibliography. Finally, follow your center's submission process, usually via Turnitin or the Virtual Learning Environment, VLE. Submitting early can also reduce stress. A well-reviewed and formatted assignment maximizes your chance of success and reflects professionalism and care.